Waking up early to get to a bed, working so hard I don't never relax. If you was a hater or you ain't support us, and just know I'm.
What's going on, y'all? Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I will be assembling the Remax gaming desk chair, and hopefully it'll be a quick, painless experience. But let's get this thing put together. Alright, so let's go over the parts to this chair. You got the footrest right here. You got the base. You got your head pillow. You got a lumbar back pillow. You got your recoil spring or spring that you need. There's 4 of these wheels. You got your back on the chair. You got the seat of the chair. You got 2 armrests. You have your seat controls, so how you lower it and raise the chair. You got a bag with an L key, and there's a couple bolts or screws in there, and you got some little odd parts that you put in. This piece, which I don't know if it lights up or so, but it does have a USB connector to it, to this lumbar part, so I'm guessing that it lights up or has some type of connection, but we'll find that out when we're done putting this thing together. And let me get the instructions, which the instructions don't seem too difficult. There's only 6 steps, and they tell you everything on there, so it shouldn't be that hard or difficult to put this thing together. Alright, so the first step, we're going to take the seat part and flip it upside down, and we're going to put the seat controls on the bottom of the seat. So let's do that real quick. So the parts on here, the bolts are already in there, so you just got to unscrew them and then screw them back in when you want to fasten them to the chair. I don't think it has a direction or which way to go. Well, actually it tells you the front on here, so make sure that the front of it is actually facing the front of the chair, which will go that way. So we'll go like that. So make sure that you got that set up the right way before you start putting it in. So let me unscrew this bolt right here. Alright, so that part is done, and now I believe, I hate when they have directions where they don't actually put like what they want you to do. It's just a picture. But yeah, now the arms go on. So the arms go on, I'm guessing something like this, where they slide on like that between those 3 bolts. And let me see if they're labeled. So I don't see a left or right. I don't know if it really matters what side it's on. They look pretty much the same. Alright, so take those 3 out, and then we'll put the arms on. Alright, so step 2, you put the leg rest on to the chairs. So this is the front side, and you take your leg rest and slide them in like so. You have these 2 little rubber stoppers or little rings, and you put those on the end of the footrest bars, and I guess that will stop them from rolling all the way out or pulling all the way out. Yeah, alright, so it's like a stop to keep the chair from coming all the way out. 2, that. Alright, so step 3, you take your pump right here, and you take your base. You want to put the wheels into your base, so flip your base upside down, and your wheels just pop into the base. Real simple. We got 5 slots, 5 wheels. Rotate it. And the last one. Alright, flip it over. Take your pump with the green part at the top, and you just set it down in there like so. Set it down, and I believe that's it for that part. HC. Yep. Alright, so step 4 is we're going to take the seat, and we're going to attach the back to the seat. But before we do that, we're going to put our headrest and our lower lumbar pillow on here. So the lumbar pillow, I believe, is the bottom one that goes there, and there's a left and right side to that. Now where this cord is going to go, I don't know, but I'm just going to try to stick it to the side. And with this, you just want to pull it through, and then from the bottom try to keep it straight and just connect it just like that. So you connect it from the bottom, and you got to go through that top loop. So not hard. Take the top part, take it through, make sure your bottom part is straight, flip it a little bit, make sure it's straight, and connect it. So that's done. It goes up and down, so you can adjust it however you want to adjust it. And then you take this pillow, and this one will go, I believe it just goes, yeah, in the holes. So you just take it and put one side through here, the other side through there, and connect it. And that part's done. So this is how it should look before you go and put it, connect it to the seat part. Sit this down, turn it like you're facing it, well, kind of like that, I guess. And this is going to connect. These two parts are just going to slide right here, and there's 2 screws, and you just want to take these screws out, connect it, and then put them back in there. Yeah, so you just connect these back into the chair in the slots where they came out of. It might be easier to lay it on the side because it'll give you a better angle. Alright, so I finally attached the back of the chair to the seat. Major flaw design in putting these together. It was way too hard for one person just to hold these, and then they didn't seem like they even wanted to go into the slot. And then you got to try to figure out, like, you got to get the bolt into the hole that's built into the chair. It's way too hard and way more difficult than it actually should have been for that step. And I actually had to get my wife to actually help me with that part because it was mad stupid. So the next section, you just take these little L's or J's or whatever you want to call them, and they go onto the chair in some type of configuration. Maybe I got the wrong one, but they go on there, and then we'll move on to the next section. So now we got the final step, which is to sit the chair down on top of the base, and that will be the last step to complete this. And just pick it up, drop it on there, and it's done. All completed. You sit on it or whatever, and then set it into place however it's supposed to be. That's it. Your footrest flips out like that. Tuck it in. Push it all the way back. I'm not too, I don't favor these footrests because I just don't like the way they go in. Even though they tuck under the chair like that, but I just don't like it. It flips out like that. And really, whose foot is going to be sitting right here? You know what I mean? Like, that's like really like your thigh area, you know what I mean? So it doesn't extend further than that, so that's as far as it goes. But, you know, it is what it is. But that's it. Like I said, it wasn't hard besides the one part of connecting the seat, the back of the seat to the bottom part of the seat. That was the hardest part, which actually required two people. Other than that, this thing is real easy to put together. Alright, so after putting this together, I didn't know, because my son actually bought this as his gaming chair. I was putting it together for him. It has massage feature, so that's what the USB is for. And you hear it when you turn it on. I actually was sitting in it for a little bit. Pretty comfortable with the massage feature. I don't like the chair in general as far as comfort. Comfort is not really too comfortable for me. You see this? I don't know if this goes up or down. Yep, that goes up and down. But like I said, as far as overall comfort, it's not really too comfortable in my opinion. But the massage feature makes it pretty decent. Chair goes up and down. It's really good looking. I do like the look of the chair. The overall build quality of the chair is solid. The design, the camo design looks good. So all in all, would I recommend it? Yes. But I would be cautious. Like I said, it's not the most comfortable chairs. I don't know about gaming in this chair for hours and hours and hours. It might not be that comfortable. Other than that, I will give this chair a definite go and grab it, and I'll give it probably a 7.5 out of 10. Comfort being the worst part, and connecting these two parts together being the worst part of the chair. Other than that, I had no other problems with this chair, and I think it's a dope chair. With the Serpent Tech Reviews, if this video helped you in any type of way, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description and click on all of those links, and we'll be back on the next video. Stay blessed.
Waking up early to get to a bed, working so hard I don't never relax. If you was a hater or you ain't support us, and just know I'm leaving your ass in the past. I got a feeling and we gonna make it. Me and my brothers is coming so fast. Going to slaving and not to finessing. That Roski was stretching, just want us to cast. You know I don't do it all